and then we just let it go. Hello, and welcome back to Lock Lab 101. What we have today is a plug spinner. This is the tool we're going to talk about and how to use them, what the application is. So, in a Euro profile like this, or there's more than, you can use these in more than a Euro profile. You have the springs down here, then you have the driver pins, and then you have the key pins. And when you pick this open, whether you're going, whatever you're doing it for, if you're a locksmith or you're picking it and you want to just pick the door open or whatever, you can get to a point like this. Okay, so now I picked this open. Key's not in it, so it's been picked open. The pins are down here. The driver pins are here. But what if I want to rotate this past this point? Okay, a lot of these Euro profiles, you have to spin this key several times to get the door all the way open. So it's like a camming action. This spins around and it pushes the dog or the bolt a little bit more open or a little bit more closed, either way. Okay, so this is like for a locksmithing application. Okay, so in this application, we're going to be turning it clockwise. So we're actually locking it. We can go either way, but it's more challenging to get it locked. Okay, it's picked open. As you can see, it doesn't have a key in it. We picked it open and we're rotating it clockwise. But the problem is down here, we have the springs with the driver pins and they're pushing up. And soon as the bottom of the keyway gets in line with those pins, all those pins are going to shoot up in there. Okay, how do we get past that without having to pick this thing like 6 times to get the door open or get the door closed? Let's get this thing in a vise and I'll show you. What we do is with the tension tool, we take it as close as we can. So right now, if we align this keyway up with the pin chambers in the lock body, those driver pins are going to be thrown up into this keyway, and it's, well, you're going to have to deal with that. So we have a plug spinner, and essentially this plug spinner saves you time. What you do, you put the tip into the keyway, and you want to put it as close to the center of the plug as possible. You hold this part, you hold the top, and then, let me put this over here. You hold the top, and then you move this to a point that you want the plug to move to, and then you let go with this with my left hand, and it just went past that. Okay, so the keyway was like this, and with that plug spinner, it bypassed the pin chamber so quick that the driver pins weren't able to be thrown up into the keyway. So let's do, okay, here's another lock, another perspective. In this scenario, we're closing the lock, and that means we're rotating it clockwise. It's a plug spinner. With the plug spinner in there as close to the center of the core as possible, and then we just let it go. And it spun it all the way around. Okay, well, that's all I have for you today. I hope you got something out of this. This is only one version of a plug spinner. There are many other versions out there. This is just one. It's a pretty handy tool for locksmiths. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you got something out of this, please like and subscribe. And thank you very much.